Included with the packages of both Classic and Value Added is the Capture One software. Pro is included with the Value Added kit, and the serial number is on the back. The Pro software will work with both Phase 1 backs and DSLRs. The Classic kit includes the DB software, which only works with the Phase 1 backs. All the functions are, of course, the same. Let's install the CD. Our disc is now on the desktop. Double-click. Launch the version based on the computer you're using, and launch the disk image. Capture One Pro software supports both digital backs and DSLRs. The Capture One DB software only supports digital backs. The other difference between the two software products is that the DB version is free to all back owners. The DB version can also be installed without an internet connection. The Pro version does require an internet connection. Now our installer is ready to go. In this case, I can just drop it over our icon and the installation procedure continues. Now that we've completed our installation, let's find the application and start registration. Simple thing to do on the Mac is to drag the icon for Capture One down to the toolbar, and the first thing is a software acceptance form. Just accept, and now we're at the registration page. Initially, you can use the DB software with the digital back if you have the Classic kit. However, if you would like to activate the Pro version, we need to enter the serial number and do a full Pro activation. It's Capture One Pro. Let's activate that. And a license code is required. Just type that in. All right, with a valid code, it asks for an email. If you've already registered a Phase 1 product, you'll have a code, an actual password that you've made on the Phase 1 site, and by placing your email in, which is the username, and then later on entering your password, everything will be filled out automatically. So I'll put my email in first, and a Get Profile function comes up. I'll put in my password now. This automatically fills out first name, last name, country. Select Activate, and we have a fully activated version. Now, if I already have a session, if I've got an older version of Capture One, it would ask me where I'd like to start from. In this case, we'll start with a default session, and we're ready to begin our shooting.